Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you what to do when you approach a turn while driving. This will be a very simple driving lesson, so let's get right into the driving lesson. I'm going to start off by explaining it, and then I'll demonstrate myself using those steps as I approach various turns. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is decide. Are you going to be turning right or left? Which direction will you be turning? Once you've made that decision, you should be putting your signal on well in advance. As you're approaching the turn, before you actually get to the intersection, you want to put your signal on well in advance. If you're turning left, put your left signal on. If you're turning right, put your right signal on. Very simple and straightforward. The next thing that you want to do as you're approaching the turn is check your rear view mirror. Whether you're turning right or left, you should be checking your rear view mirror. Then you're going to check your side mirror on the side that you're turning towards. If you're turning right, check your right side mirror. You're turning left, check your left side mirror. Then do the same thing with your side blind spot. If you're turning right, check your right blind spot. Turning left, check your left blind spot. Once you've done all of those things, you know what's happening around you as you're approaching the turn. And by this time, you should be close to actually getting to the turning part of the process. But you have to see if you need to stop or slow down and what's happening with regards to the right of way. So this will all depend on where you live and any signs that are around you and any rules that exist where you live. But if you're, generally speaking, let's say I'm approaching an always stop, I'm going to come to complete stop, by the right spot. So before I actually get to the intersection, before the intersection or where the line is or whatever the rule is, I'm going to come to complete stop. That's the next step. And then you're going to check for right of way. See who has the right of way. Is it you? Is it another driver? Is it another pedestrian? Check for who has the right of way. If you have the right of way, then proceed with caution when it is safe to do so. If someone else has the right of way, allow them to proceed with caution. Then you're actually going to make the turn. And those are all of the steps for approaching the turn. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive and I'm going to go through multiple turns. I'll try and go through different types of turns to show you what I would do with these steps. All right, let's start driving. I put my seatbelt on. Let's put the car in drive, release the parking brake, and we're going to move forward. Now there is a stop sign relatively close, so as I pull away from the curb, I'm going to start the process, and I'll try and drive slowly towards that stop sign so that I can explain everything that I'm doing. All right, so I'm approaching the stop sign. I've decided to make a left turn, so I'm going to go ahead and put my left signal on. I'm checking my rear view mirror. I'm checking my left side mirror, my left blind spot. I'm coming to complete stop before the line because there is a stop sign. It's not an always stop, so this traffic has the right of way. I'm moving forward to see what's happening in the intersection because there's a few parked cars and shrubbery, bushes and so forth, so I can't fully see. Now I'm coming to complete stop and just double checking that it's safe to proceed. I have the right of way. It seems like as soon as this car goes, there should be enough of a gap. I'm going to check my mirrors and blind spot again. Signals on. It's safe to proceed. I have the right of way, so I'm proceeding with caution. Just like that. Very, very simple. Now, I know that it seems like a lot and that there are many steps, and there are many steps, but the thing is, the more that you do it, the more used to it you are, the faster that you'll be able to actually accomplish these things. I'm going to make a right-hand turn up ahead, so I've made the decision. My right signal goes on, checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot, coming to a complete stop. It's an always stop. Checking the intersection, it's only a three-way intersection, so checking straight ahead to the right, straight ahead again, and then I'm turning right just like this. That's basically it. Now, like I said, I'm going to approach a turn right here where there's no stop sign, just to change it up. Turning right, right signal goes on, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Checking the intersection to make sure that I have the right of way and it's safe to proceed. Rolling through the turn because there is no stop sign. And I have the right of way and it's safe to proceed, and that's basically it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and I'll do one more turn for you. So let's just go ahead. Actually, this is a turn in itself, and this is a turn into a driveway. So I'm turning left into a driveway. My left signal's on, checking my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot, slowing down, checking for traffic, turning the wheel, making my way into the driveway, just like that. Now I'm going to reverse, and I'm going to just turn the car around, just like that. So we're going to approach a stop sign up ahead. We'll turn left, and that will be the last demonstration for this video. So once again, I'm approaching the stop sign. I've made the decision to turn left well in advance. Pay attention to how early I'm putting my signal on. Left signal goes on. Checking my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot. Coming to complete stop before the intersection. There's no line on the stop sign. So before the intersection, I've come to complete stop. Checking the intersection for cars moving forward because it's only a stop sign on my end. This direction does not have a stop sign. Safe to proceed. Doing a quick mirror check and blind spot check again, making my turn. And it's literally that simple. In this video, I've gone over and shown you what to do. I've told you and shown you what to do when you approach a stop sign. I really hope that you've enjoyed this basic driving tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.